Hey there, welcome back to my channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic, building wealth through AI. This is a game changer in the world of finance and investments. We'll explore the best practices to maximize your investments. From understanding market trends to leveraging AI tools, we've got you covered. AI technology can provide insights that were previously unimaginable, helping you make informed decisions. We'll also highlight common mistakes you should avoid. These pitfalls can be costly, but with the right knowledge, you can steer clear of them. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this guide will offer valuable tips and strategies. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started on this journey to financial success together. Part 1. Understanding AI in Wealth Building Host. First things first, what is AI in the context of wealth building? AI, or artificial intelligence, is a transformative technology that is reshaping the financial landscape. It involves the use of advanced machine learning algorithms and sophisticated data analytics to make more informed and strategic financial decisions. AI, or artificial intelligence, involves using machine learning algorithms and data analytics to make informed financial decisions. These algorithms can process and analyze vast amounts of data at speeds and accuracies that are impossible for humans to achieve. This capability is particularly useful in the realm of finance, where timely and precise decisions can make a significant difference. This can include anything from stock market predictions to managing personal finances. For instance, AI can analyze market trends and predict stock prices with a high degree of accuracy, helping investors make better decisions. It can also help individuals manage their personal finances by providing insights into spending habits and suggesting ways to save money. Voice over AI analyzes vast amounts of data faster and more accurately than humans can. This is because AI systems are designed to handle large data sets and can identify patterns and trends that might be missed by human analysts. This ability to process and analyze data quickly and accurately makes AI an invaluable tool in the financial sector. It's like having a super brain that helps you make smarter financial decisions. Imagine having a personal financial advisor who is always up to date with the latest market trends and can provide you with real-time advice. That's what AI offers. It can help you optimize your investment portfolio, minimize risks, and maximize returns. In essence, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach wealth building, making it more efficient, effective, and accessible to everyone. Part 2. Best practices for building wealth through AI host. Now let's talk about some best practices to make the most out of AI in your wealth building journey. 1. Host. Before diving in, it's crucial to understand how AI works. There are plenty of online courses and resources available. Knowledge is power, folks. 2. Use reputable AI platforms. Host. Not all AI platforms are created equal. Stick to reputable ones with proven track records. Some popular choices include Wealthfront, Betterment, and Personal Capital. 3. Diversify your investments. Host. Just because an AI suggests a hot stock, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to minimizing risk. AI can help you create a balanced portfolio. 4. Regularly review your portfolio. Host AI tools aren't set and forget. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio based on the latest data and trends. Think of it as a regular health checkup for your finances. 5. Stay updated with AI trends. AI technology is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest advancements to ensure you're leveraging the best tools available. Part 3. Common mistakes to avoid. Now let's flip the coin and talk about some common mistakes people make when using AI for wealth building. 1. Over-reliance on AI. While AI is powerful, over-reliance can be dangerous. Always use human judgment and critical thinking in conjunction with AI recommendations. Some AI platforms come with hidden fees. Always read the fine print and understand the cost structure. Those fees can add up and eat into your profits. AI might tempt you to chase short-term gains, but remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on long-term strategies. With great technology comes great responsibility. Ensure that the platforms you use have strong security measures to protect your data and investments. AI tools provide generic advice based on data. Customize and personalize the recommendations to fit your unique financial situation and goals. To wrap things up, let's look at a couple of real-life success stories of people who have effectively used AI to build wealth. There you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, and we hope you're as excited as we are about the possibilities that lie ahead. Building wealth through AI is all about combining technology with smart financial practices. It's not just about having the latest tools, but knowing how to use them effectively to make informed decisions. By following these best practices and avoiding common pitfalls, you can set yourself up for financial success. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content that empowers you to take control of your financial future. Have questions or tips of your own? We love hearing from our community. Your insights and experiences can help others on their journey as well. Drop them in the comments below. We read every comment and do our best to respond to as many as we can. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more tips, strategies, and insights on how to leverage AI for financial growth. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.